Okay, congrats Santi. Rebanse si Francis ha. 1, 2, 3 lang ngayon ha. Tagal nung 5 eh. Game. Good. Labas 3 points ha. Uli ka. Bilis oh. Good block, Sans. Good. Ayun na! Okay. Yan, Francis. Tama yan. Ganyan. Boom! Nice move! Ayan! Sayang! Labas 3 points, tol. Labas 3 points. Labas. Pagka tama ng ring, labas siya 3 points. Go. All 0 ha, go. Rebanse game to, rebanse game. Wala. Game. Rebanse game. Oh, tayo ka dyan. Uy! Wow! Ang ganda ng galaw kasi hindi na i-shoot. Payong defense yan, no? O, payong. Yan ang payong defense. Good. Ako dapat di mo tinapik, nabuhay tuloy. Good. Labas, Santi, 3 points. Yan. Iwanak, agawang ka niyan. Hoy! Shoot na naman! Habit na, okay lang, Sans. Bawi, go. 3 points! Labas mo dito sa 3 points. O, sige, bola mo. Pag hindi siya nakikinig, go, Francis, ha? Next time. Yun! Step back. Nice one. 1-0. 1-0. Go. 3 points. 3 points. Sandy, 3 points. Go. Uy, crossover. Uy, crossover. Ay! Ay! Shoot now! Sayang naman! Go, Francis. 3 points. Yan. Tapos, Santi, pwede may tira yan, ha? O, go. Sorry. 1-0. Nice pick, Sans. Galing. 2-0, Francis. Depensa ka. Para may isa pang laban. Pag hindi mo tinalo Santi, wala hanap. 2-0 na eh. Go. Yan. Kiss defense. Uy! Patay ka, ya, Santi. Labas, yan. Good.
Screen?
Go, screen pa. Okay. Uy, good block. Good block, Sans. Go, Francis! Habol! Team Pim kicks. Oh? Oh? Labas. Last ka na. 2-0. Last, Santi, ha? Last one. Patay. Nice game. Game. Good one, Francis, ha? Nice one. Pare, gagaling ka, bata. Para, fist bump mo. Good job, Francis. Bawi ulit. Pahinga mo na. Nice one, Sans. Panalo. Team Pim kicks, oh.